Gokaldas Exports Limited Stock Analysis and Target Price for 2023. Gokaldas Exports Limited is engaged in the business of design, manufacture, and sale of a wide range of garments for men, women, and children and caters to the needs of several leading international fashion brands and retailers. Gokaldas Exports under its new management has witnessed significant changes including marquee client additions, richer product mix, higher margins, etc., leading to robust shareholder returns. We believe India, with its stable economy, abundant cotton availability, cheaper labor versus China and control over COVID, is well placed to wrest a chunk of apparel market share from China and other competitive economies. Hence, India's textile and apparel industry stands to benefit in the medium term. Further, the Government of India's signing of FTAs with various countries and incentive schemes is likely to boost the domestic textile ecosystem and catalyze further growth. India well placed to wrest market share. Over the past few years, China's market share in the global apparel market has been declining due to higher production costs, trade barriers, persistent COVID issues, etc. As a result, the global apparel supply chain was primarily realigned to countries like Vietnam and Bangladesh owing to lower factor costs and geographical proximity to China, while India's export sales stagnated. However, we believe India, by virtue of its inexpensive labor versus China, stable economic conditions, sufficient availability of raw materials, etc., is well placed to gain from the shift of supply chain from China. CapEx to diversify revenue sources and upgrade existing assets. In order to service larger export orders and upgrade its designing capabilities, JEXP is executing a CapEx of Rs 3.7 billion spread over FY25 EBITDA margin estimated to improve by 100 basis points over FY25E. We estimate EBITDA margin to expand by 100 basis points by FY25E from FY22 owing to A. Continued thrust towards a better yielding product mix. B. Operating leverage benefits in staff and other operating expenses. C. Ramping up of recently commissioned units. Gokaldas Exports Limited Stock Recommendation. Over the last few years, exhibited strong performance with robust revenue growth through addition of scalable marquee clients, and by reducing overdependence on spring-summer season. In order to prepare itself for the next leg of growth, JEXP is doing a CapEx of Rs 3.7 billion over FY25, which we believe should boost the top line by Rs 8 billion 9 billion over FY23-25E on stabilization of units. Company could benefit from the operating leverage benefits and will likely improve its EBITDA margin by 100 basis points over FY22-25E. Hence, on the back of healthy order book and ramping up of newly commissioned units, we bake in revenue/EBITDA/PAT CAGRs of 19%/23%/18%, respectively, for the year 22-25E. We initiate coverage on the stock with a buy rating and target price of Rs 560 per share, valuing the stock at 17.5x FY25E EPS. We believe Gokaldas Exports Limited stock deserves to be valuation at a higher multiple versus its current 1-year forward PE multiple of 15x owing to healthy PAT growth of 18% CAGR over FY22-25 and stable return on equities in the range of 16-18%.